Hi everybody, Craig with Travel Tartan here. Today we're going to dig into the amenity kit you can get on KLM's business class flight. We have two different bags here. They're actually exactly the same. My wife got one, I got one. I can't remember which one we got each. I want to say the flight attendant said, this is for ladies, this is for men's. Maybe she said ladies first, but I couldn't really hear what she said. Anyway, they are identical. The only difference with them is that this one is just pure simple with a zip. This guy is a zip the same, but it also has the flap on it, and it's actually magnetic. It's actually kind of nice. A little bit nicer than this one. So I have a feeling this is the one my wife got. Anyway, we're going to open them up. Like I said, they're exactly the same. So we're going to open them up and see what's inside them. Okay, we got a face mask. Pretty standard face mask going on here. Not too exciting there. A pair of socks. Actually pretty comfortable. Very thin, but whatever. You're just wearing them so you don't stand on piss in the bathroom. Pair of socks. A little pair of earplugs. And a nice little package for you. Foam earplugs. We've got a toothbrush. This one actually has a little closey thing. So, toothbrush. Have a pen that says KLM. Amazingly enough, there's an identical shaped one for Deltas, so I'm assuming they all go to the same place for their pens. But little pen says KLM on it. Nothing special. We have face moisturizer, Tulip and Yuza. Rituals, limited edition KLM, with a fun little emblem thing on it. It smells quite nice. Toothpaste, actually a decent amount of toothpaste. I know you get the tiny little ones. So this is actually a decent size. You get quite a few uses out of this. Just standard toothpaste. And a lip balm, Japanese mint. It's not any kind of mint, it's Japanese mint. Again, Rituals limited edition KLM. This one's got a different design on it. This one's got some flowers, and they're all blue for KLM's. Blue color. Actually pretty good. So, that is it. That's all you get. Oh, actually, you know what? I lied. There is a difference between the two of them other than the magnetic flap. This one is red. It says KLM on it. This one is blue. It says KLM. So again, I think this confirms the fact that it's red for ladies, blue for men. Ladies get a little magnetic thingy going on. Very fancy. But it's exactly the same inside. So that is what you get. I didn't use any of this stuff. I believe my wife used the moisturizer and she said it was pretty decent. That was about it. I think she used the socks actually as well. She said they were pretty comfortable. But these are just their standard socks you get in everything. So, well, that's it. All right. Thanks very much for watching. See you again soon.